Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So guys, SHIB is doing tremendous, right? We have SHIB, and I'm just going to start off with the fact that I don't really need to stretch anything. All you have is a sideways movement, as I was expecting in 2 days ago, that you could be looking at this sideways movement and then take this top to the bottom right there. And now that you're breaking above, SHIB is probably on a technical journey to go up to 4122. So this is actually a further push to 53%. But now there's something I want to tell you before I close the video. If you notice, buying accumulation is always profitable. I want to tell you a little bit about what accumulation is. So when a coin is pretty much sideways like this for a long time, that's accumulation, and then at some point it's meant to do something like this. It's just very similar to what happened right over here, and we saw this. It happened again right over there. This is even bigger one, so we could even be looking at a bigger move to the upside, right? So the bigger the accumulation, the bigger the move is going to be. Now the reason why I told you this is because I probably know a coin that is in accumulation, number one. Number two, it's somewhere down here. Okay, it's somewhere, it's almost like buying SHIB at 982 once again. So that coin, I've been doing a research for the past 9 months, 10 months. It's in my long-term bag. SHIB is in my long-term bag. But this time, because a lot of people say that, hey, Adam Coins, we're your fan, recommend us something for the bull run. And I kind of feel like, yes, it does make a lot of sense, because I know what this market is capable of. Okay, I know what it's capable of. Probably this time around, for the first time ever, I could actually give you one coin as recommendation now for totally free. All you have to do, like the SHIB video, right? It's not a big deal. It's just a tap it, and it's going to help the channel. Secondly, when you do that, take the screenshot and message me. Scroll down by joining the Discord, right? Come to the Discord link. When you do that, go to the announcement, click on my name and say that I'm coming from the SHIB video. Adam, tell me the name of the coin. That's pretty much it, right? Paste the screenshot, you like the video, and I'm going to tell you that what kind of a coin we're talking about. So I think SHIB is actually at coming to 4,000. Now there is one more place that SHIB is about to break, and I actually want to show you this place right over here. So we pretty much pumped up, and you can see that this is another zone that SHIB is coming up to. That is, it's pretty much going to be a price level of 2770. Okay, now if you break above 2770, you may notice that this is a whole another pattern. Okay, almost like a saucer bottom, and we could be looking at SHIB one more time to break above that as well, and we could look at the technical target of 4972. So we still have a long way to go. 4400, 60%, 85%. I think SHIB is about to even go above the all-time high. It's just a matter of time. So that's all for the video. Make sure you message me ASAP, because everything is just moving. We never know if that coin, actually that coin previously 2 days ago it was at 43, and now it's at 46. Okay, so it's moving, but still I think 46 is still a pretty decent entry considering long term. Okay, it's long term. Don't trade, no stops, no nothing. If you have 1,000, use 150 at this time on my recommendation. If you have 500, maybe 70, just this time give me a chance. Let's see, maybe I could disappoint, but I highly doubt. That's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.